Hello everyone, so welcome back to the new lab session of Microsoft Excel. So in this lab we'll see one special feature of Microsoft Excel where it provides a special type of copy and paste functionality. Okay, so normally when we copy and paste we generally use a shortcut key that is Ctrl C and Ctrl V. You see, when we copy we use Ctrl C for copy and Ctrl V for paste. Okay, but in Excel this Ctrl C and Ctrl V sometimes doesn't work. Okay, like if I show you a scenario, like if I write let's say 70 and if I write here let's say let me write here let's say 90, and I want to show the addition let's say here. So what I do, it's this cell plus this cell, and if I press enter I get the answer. Now I want to paste this, or I want to copy this 160 in let's say this cell. So if I copy this, that is I press Ctrl and C, and if I paste it here, that is Ctrl and V, you see it show me error. Or if I paste it here, Ctrl V, it show me 0. Or if I paste it here, let's say here, normally that is paste, I'm getting 0. So you see this functionality doesn't work. Similarly here, in case of name, suppose if first here I want a full name of these two students, generally we use concatenate function, that is concatenate this cell, I need a space, then this cell, and press enter. Now if I drag it down, I got this name. Now I want this names, this all name I want to paste let's say here. So what I do, I right click and just simply paste it. See, I'm not able to paste. Or if I copy this again and if I paste it here, here also I'm not able to see the detail. So for such type of scenario, Excel is providing a special feature, that is special paste. Like here, suppose this 160 I want to paste it here. If I normally paste let's say copy, and if I paste it here, I'm getting 0. But here I want that this 160 should appear. So for that what I do, I simply copy and select the cell I want to paste it here. I simply put a right click, go to special paste, and this is the paste value option is coming. Okay, so the very first value V, if I click, I get the answer. Okay, like suppose another example I'm giving, suppose if the background color of this is let's say blue, and if I copy it and if I paste it here, normally it is showing 0 with blue background. But I want that if I paste it here 160, the background color should not appear. So what I do, if I copy it, right click here, and in paste, if you press this value part, only 160 come. But you want that along with 160 the background color is also appear. So for that you have to use right click, special paste, and here you go this third one, that is value and source. So you see when I select this region in the formula bar, you see it is coming E3 and F3, but here when I select this cell it is directly coming the value. That means it doesn't copy the formula, it copies the value. So this is one special thing. Similarly